the cube of a number, because this net is not that much good. It is a 4G net. 5G not working now. Okay, the cube of a number, the cube of a number, the cube of a number is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. What was the previous question? Previous question what? Square of a number is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Correct or no? Right? Previous question. Listen. Previous this is star 2. Hello. Star question number 2. Guaranteed questions. Money back. Okay. Look. If this portions include. Okay. That's a condition. Okay. According to me, this portion not there. But the school saying okay. But, like Carmel said, therefore there is no notification. Correct or not? Gautam, Aditya. Hello, Aditya. Okay, because CBSE not yet released any modification from 2020 to 21. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll discuss it. Look at here now. The previous question was the square of a number. The square of a number is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Now cube is of the form 3 format 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, so look at here. Take a number example 3 cube 27. 27 we can write what? 9 into 3. That is 9m, 9m. What about 4 cube? 4 cube is what? 64. Okay. 64 divided by 9, how much? Hello? 9. 4 cube 64 divided by 9 what? 7. 9 into 7. 9 into 7 plus 1. So that is 9m plus 1. Then what about 5 cube? 125. Okay. 125 divided by 9. 13. 13 into 9 plus what? Plus 8. Right? Okay. 13 into 9 plus 8. Okay. Look at here. I didn't say anything from. I just showing the examples. Look. The cube of a number. Look. The cube of a number. This is the format. 9m. 9m plus 1. 9m plus 8. Okay, we check with the 3. 27. 27 is 9 into 3. Okay, 4 cube 64. 9 into 7 plus 1. This format. 5 cube 125. 13. 9 into 13 plus 8. That is this format. This one we have to prove it. Okay. Okay. Is it okay now? Affirm. So that means, look at here. If you a cube of any number, you can write this format. 9 into m. M means a number, an integer. Okay. Clear now? So cube, even if we take 6 cube, 6 cube is what? 216, right? 6 cube, 216. What you can write? 216 divided by 9. How much? 24. 9 into 24. 9. That means now you notice the cube of a number is of the form 9m. 9m means m is any integer. 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, I hope you got the question. After that, I'll show the proof. Understood the question? Take your time. You understood the question or not? Okay. Hardisha, what is the problem, Hardisha? Hardisha, is it okay? I'm not in the meeting. Why? Okay. So no problem. You can hear now. That's the problem. I told you now. I'm scared about this net. It's not. This is a very weak net now. I'm using. Okay. So now look at here. We'll see the proof now. Look. Before showing the proof, anyone understood the? Anyone had doubt about the question? Anyone have doubt about the question? Tell me first. Anyone had doubt? Kashinath, the question is, hello, Kashinath, listen. If you take any number, for example, 5, okay, 5 cube, what is that? 125. 125, we can write what? 125 divided by 9, how much? One 25 divided by 9, how much? 13. Okay, 13 into 8, sorry, 9 into 13 plus 8. We got, that means 5 cube, you wrote 9 into 13 plus 8. We can write this format. Okay. 4 cube, this is 5 cube. Okay. Then, uh, 4 cube, okay, 64, what you can write? 4 cube, 64. 64 divided by 9 is what? 64 divided by 9, how much? 7 into 9 into 7 plus 1. That is which format? 9m. This is here, this format. This one here. Then 6 cube, 216. That is what you got? 216 divided by 9. How much? 24. 9 into 24. So that means we found the cubes or form in this format. 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. We didn't find any number 9m plus 2, 9m plus 3, 9m plus 5, 9m plus 7, 9m plus 11. Like that we didn't find. All numbers, when you cube any number, we'll get this format only. This is the question. Is it okay, clear now? Yes, you can cube any number. You take any number. You take any number, then you can find this format only. Okay, we cannot make a format 9m plus 3, 9m plus 4, 9m plus 5, like that. Clear now? So now we have to show, we have to generally, you have to prove it. Look, what we will do, listen out. I hope everyone understood the question. I'm just asking the question only, not answer. Question clear or not? Anyone have question? Tell me now. Don't ask me end of the proof. What was the question? It's an irritating question. Correct or no? After finishing the proof, telling what is the question. Okay, now look at here. So by Euclid division lemma, you can take A equal to BQ plus R. Okay. Here also I'm taking A equal to 3Q plus R equal to 0, 1, 2. R equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay. Like previous one, case 1, A equal to 3Q. Okay. Cubing on both sides. What? Cubing. A cube equal to 3Q whole cube. 27 Q cube. This one we can write what? 9 into 3Q cube equal to 9M. Right? This part okay? Part okay or not? Okay. Anyone heard out? Asma, Affam. Hello, Abhijit. Abhijit may be difficult to understand because the first time not today. Ayush. Anyone heard out? First part, because we took B equal to 3. So we have to show 0, 1, 2. If you take B equal to 9, you'll be in big trouble. You have to show what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to show. Don't take that. Don't take that risk. Take only 3. Okay. So we took A equal A 3Q 9M. Okay, we can take any number. Hello. We can take any number. Neither. You can take any number, no problem. Okay. If you take 9, you have to take all the factors you have to find out. Neither. If you take any number, you can take no issue. But easy way, take 3. That's all I took. 2 problem is not, we cannot show divisible, you cannot understand. That's the problem. Understood now? Because you get a fraction here. Why you have to take the fraction and okay. So next number, A equal to 3Q plus 1. Okay. Yes, we can take 9. No problem. Yes. We can take any number, but multiples of 3, easy for you to understand. That's all. Otherwise, the fractions here. Okay. So now cubing what? A cube equal to 3Q plus 1 whole cube. Your school, this part finished now. Correct? Your school first part is finished, right? You did already this one. Okay. So now, what about cubing? 3Q whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3Q into 1 into 3Q plus 1. Agree or not? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. What is that? A cube equal to 27Q cube plus 1 plus 9 into 3, 27 Q square plus 9, 9, right or not? Hello? 3 into Q, 9 Q. Hello, check yourself. All 9 Q. So we can rearrange 27 Q cube plus 27 Q square plus 9 Q plus 1. We can take 9 outside. That means 9M plus 1. 9M plus 1. Now, one more. R equal to 2. What happened? A equal to 3Q plus 2. Okay, what will you get? 27 QQ plus 8 plus 3 into 3Q into 2 into 3Q plus 2. So that is 27 QQ plus 8 plus 27 Q square plus 9 Q. We can take 8, this one, 9 outside. We'll get what? 9m plus 8. So that means the cube of a number is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, write this also. Okay. After writing, if anyone doubt, I'll tell you again. Okay. Right. Let A and B, any two positive integers, let A and B any two positive integers, then by Euclid division lemma, A equal to 3Q plus R. A equal to 3Q plus R. A equal to 3Q plus R. Okay. 0 less than or equal to no need. If you take 8, no, listen, our aim is what? Multiples of 9. So don't take 8 and all, you take 3 or 9. Okay. Okay, listen, right after that I explain that. Okay, listen, A equal to 3Q plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Then when B equal to 3, A equal to 3Q plus R, where R equal to 0, 1, 2. Because easiest way, taking 3, only 3 cases only we have to show. If you're taking 9, we have to show for R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have to show it. That means 9 cases you have to prove it. Okay, clear now? Okay, then case 1, R equal to 0, then A equal to 3Q, cubing on both sides, the star mark question, 4 mark question. Okay, A cube equal to 3Q whole cube equal to 27 Q cube equal to 9 into 3Q cube, equal to 9M, where 3Q cube equal to 3Q cube, but 3Q cube is an integer, or we can add M is an integer. M is an integer. Case 1 okay or not? Hello, case 1 okay. Then case 2, you write like this. Case 2, when R equal to 1, A equal to 3Q plus 1. Then A cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. 3q plus 1 whole cube. Then 3q whole cube, 3 into 1 cube plus 3 into 3q into 1 bracket 3q plus 1. Which format this one? A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We got 27q cube plus 1 plus 27q square plus 9q. Okay, just rearrange 27q cube, 27q square, 9q plus 1. From here, 9 outside. 9 outside, 3q cube, 3q square plus q plus 1. That is 9m plus 1. 9m plus 1, where m is an integer. Then case 3, when r equal to 2, a cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. 27q cube, 8, 3 into 3q into 2 into 3q plus 1. Sorry, 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2. Okay. 27q cube, 8, 27q square, then 9. This number 9 into 2, how much? 18, right? Here something wrong. This one, hey, listen, check this. What I wrote here, multiply. You write, you multiply it. 27q cube plus 54, right? No? Yes, 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Okay, now we can take 9 outside. 9 outside. Yeah, 9 outside plus 8. So 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. Therefore, the cube of any positive integer, is of the form, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Is it okay? Hello. Check, everyone, check both questions together. Square and cube check together. Okay, then I'll tell you next one. Take your time, take 5 minutes. Just go through it. It's not an easy, okay. Everyone check, go through the note. Check, if any doubt, I'll do it, okay. No, you cannot. We can take, we can take 9 also, no problem. No, why you want to take 9, Kavani? Why you want to take 9? You write more steps, no. Within the time you have to finish it, no. You can take 18 also. Okay, any number you can take it. Teacher said that is not correct. Okay, because you can take any integer. But our easy way to show 3, okay, 9, you can take it, no problem. If you try 9, but problem is 9 times you have to show, that's why, okay. Case 3 what, Kashinath, case 3 what? R equal to 2, look. This is case 1, case 2, case 3, R equal to 2. Here, a cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. A cube b cube, 3 into a into b into a plus b. Expand. You will get 27 q cube plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus 8. 9 outside, 3 q cube, 6 q square plus 4 q plus 8. Therefore, 9m plus 8. Okay, check again. Now I didn't divide it. I just take common. Okay. Any of these questions, chance is very high. Okay, if the syllabus is included. Okay, that condition always I tell you until I get the syllabus. Okay. Okay. Okay, check Q, square and cube okay or not? Okay, it's clear now. So can we start the next one? Anyone have doubt? Tell me. We'll discuss it. Hello. Anyone have doubt? Two questions only we discuss. See, 1 hour finish. Hardisha, that is not ask me that one. Okay, that is you learn a plus b whole cube is what that one. Okay, that you can write. Why ask such a question? You studied already here. No, you can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. Look, don't ask me such a doubt. You are in class 10. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. So what? A cube plus b cube. You multiply 3a square b plus 3ab square. Same no. Radisha. Okay, that is both are same. I just easy to multiply. That's only around. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to start the new section. A new star number 3. Right. Star top star 3. Okay. Before starting this one, give me two any odd positive integer. Tell me any odd positive integer. Any odd number? 2 odd number. 2. 3 and 9. Okay. 3 and 9. Okay. Hey, wait, enough. Or 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. 3 square what? 3 square is what? 9. 4 square is what? 16. Right? Correct or not? Okay, then. Okay. No. Okay. So 16, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. What are the sum? What is the sum? 3 square plus 4 square, how much? 25. 25 is divisible by, is it 25 is divisible by 25 is even or okay, 25 is even or odd? Odd number. Okay. Okay. So write the question. Okay. Right. This. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. Oh, wait. I ask you, look at here. I ask you what? Odd number. How come 4 here? Come on. I ask you 3 and 5. Okay. 5 square. How much? 25. 9 plus 25, how much? 9 plus 25, how much? 34. 34 is even or odd? 34 is even or odd? Even. Okay. Another number. 3 and 3 only 3. 5 and 7. Okay. 5 and 7. Both are even or odd? 5 odd. Okay. 5 square is what? 5 square 25. 7 square 49. Sum is what? Sum 25 plus 49, how much? 74. 74 is even or odd? Even. So what you can conclude? Hello. What is the conclusion? The square of any odd positive integer, sum of the square of, correct or not? Sum of the square of, okay, the sum of the square of any odd positive integer is even, correct or not? Any odd number squaring, when add, you'll get even number. That we have shown it. Okay, we cannot. The problem is we cannot show with examples. General case you have to prove it. Okay, what is this? What is the? Okay, write the question now. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. If x and y are odd positive integers, if x and y are odd positive integers, prove that if x and y are odd positive integers, prove that x and y are odd positive integers, then x square plus y square is even. X square plus y square, x square plus y square is even, but not divisible by 4. 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 Okay, question again. Question again. Prove that if x and y are any two odd positive integer, then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. Okay. Done, right? Stop. Question understood or not? Practically understood or not? If you take any odd number, squaring and adding, you will get it's an even number, but that not divisible by 4. You notice that 3 and 5, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 34. 34 is not divisible by 4. Correct? 34 is not divisible by 4. Okay. So tell me an odd number. General form of an odd number. Last class we discussed. General form of an odd number. Odd number is of the form 2m plus 1. Even number is 2m. Okay. Look at here. Two number now. X equal to 2m plus 1. Y equal to 2n plus 1. Two odd numbers. Okay. First odd number is 2m plus 1. Understood now? Any odd number, look at any odd number is of the form 2m plus 1 or 2n plus 1, 2q plus 1, 2s plus 1, 2x plus 1, like that. 2 something plus 1. Even number 2m, okay, 2q, like that. Okay. X equal to 2m plus 1. Y equal to 2m plus 1. 2n plus 1. Okay. Our question is what? X and Y are, look at here, X and Y are odd numbers. X and Y are odd numbers, but their square is even number. Okay. X square plus Y square equal to 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. Right? Okay, tell me. 4m square plus 4m plus 1, 4n square plus 4n plus 1, right? A plus b whole square, okay. Then 4m square plus 4n square plus 4m plus 4n plus 2. Take 4 outside. Okay. M square plus n square plus m plus n plus 2. That is 4q plus 2. 4 into something. 4 into something 2. Okay. Okay. Listen. When I explain, don't type it your idea full. Okay. Listen here. After that, you can ask the question. Okay. I don't listen what you're typing then. Look at here now. We got 4q plus 2. Okay. 4q plus 2 what? Even or odd? 4q plus 2 because it is a multiple of 2. It's an even number. Okay. Is it divided by 4? Is it divisible by 4? 4q plus 2. Why? Because remainder is 2. 4 into q plus 2. That means remainder is 2. This is the one we have to prove it. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Clear now? Odd number, we cannot take 0. 0 is not an odd number. Okay. Odd number is format is what? Odd number format is what? 2q plus 1. Like that only you can take it. Okay. Okay. Clear now, right? So are you okay? Because this is star number 3. We don't want to do not divisible by 4. Hello, Aksha. 4 into q plus 2. That not divisible by 4 because remainder is 2. No. Look, I tell you, 4q. Hello, Aksha. Listen here. 4q divisible by 4. Why? Remainder is 0. 4q plus 1 not divisible. Remainder is 1. 4q plus 2. Remainder is 2. 4q plus 3. Remainder is 3. 4q plus 4 divisible. Why? Remainder is 4. You can take it outside. Now understood? For example, 5q divisible by 5. 5q plus 1. Remainder 1. 5q plus 2. Remainder 2. 5q plus 3. Remainder 3. 5q plus 4. Remainder 4. 5q plus 5. Remainder 0. Correct? Samjha? Okay or not? Okay. So right. Any or right. Now right. Star number 3. See, we took more than half an hour one question. Okay. This is star number 3. Guaranteed star. Okay. Right. We know that any odd positive integer. We know that any odd positive integer. We know that any odd positive integer. We know that any odd positive integer Okay. We know that any odd positive integer is of the form 3q plus 1. Odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1 for some integer q. Okay. Let x equal to 2m plus 1. Let x equal to 2m plus 1 and y equal to 2n plus 1. For some integers m and n. Okay. Then x square plus, check the board, x square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. Take the board. Hello, affirm. The board, everything is there, right up to here. 4q plus 2. Okay. 4 times m square plus n square plus m plus n plus 2. Okay. So what you got? Then 4q plus 2, where q equal to m square plus n square plus m plus n. Okay, which is even number, but not divisible by 4. Okay, I'll repeat this answer. Okay. Hello. Just go through the note. I told you today a network issue because of this curfew. Everyone sitting at home. Okay. Last year also we faced this problem. You remember or not? Hello. Yeah. Then I changed 3net. I had 3net that time. Zain, STC, and Viva. Ooredoo. Okay. But now today all the three are same effect. I'll try to change to again for 5G, but I'm not sure about it. That's why I'm not changing. We'll try. Okay, I'll try. But if it is disconnected, we'll come back to this again. Okay. I just try. Yeah, it's connected now. I'm not sure about it. It's connected. Can you hear me now? You can check what is the and bandwidth weak or not. I can see that. It's good. Okay. So I try now. Okay. Yeah, this is 5G, Kavali. This is 5G, but unfortunately 5G not working. What can I do? That's why we are running with the 4G. Okay. Okay. This is last year we didn't face. Actually, I think our class first time disconnect like this. Last 1 year we didn't do any problem because this is now. Okay. I hope it is okay. Anyway, look at here. This question, look at here. The question is two odd number. Hey, hello. Those who have network issues, I explain this question again. Look. Our question is, when you take any odd integer, okay? When you take Sridarshini, can you hear me now? Hello? Hello? Okay, look at here, any odd integer. For example, 7 and 9. Okay, when is square? 7 square, how much? 49. 9 square, 81. Adding 10, 1, 30. Okay, 130 is even or odd. 130 is even number or odd number. That is even. Okay, is it divisible by 4? 130 divided by 4. What? 2, 3, 12, 10, 2, 8, remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. Okay. Any other number? Any other? Tell me any other number. We'll try. Any other number? 11 and 5. 11 and 5. Okay. Or 11 and 13. Okay. 11 square. How much? 11 and 30. 11 square. How much? 121. 121 plus 13. 169. You remember now? Last year we learned up to 30 the table. Correct or not? You remember or not? Table 1 or table 2? The newcomers, hello, the newcomers make a table up to the square. That means 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, 10, 100. Okay. Then 11, 121, 12, 144, 13, 169, 14, 196, 15, 225, 16, 256, 17, how much? 289, 18, 324, 19, 361, 20, 400, 21, 441, 22, 484, 23, 529, correct or no? 24, 576, 25, 625, 26, 676, 27, 729, 28, 28, how much? 8, 28. Hello, 28. Come on, man. Last year, by heart or no? 784, 784, 29, 841, 30, 30, 900. Okay. Everyone, look at your newcomers and last year students also. Last year students, you already made a table. Newcomers, Abhijit and Gural, Anigrah. Hello, guys. Hello, newcomers, Ayush, Kirtana. Okay, make everyone this table in a paper. Okay. Make a table, this one, keep it in front of you. Gradually by heart. Reason is majority, 99%, 99.9% squares below 30 only. If it is square directly, 27 square, you can directly write what? 729. Otherwise, you multiply 27 into 27, waste of time. Okay. 24 square, directly, what? 576 like that. Okay. So make sure last year we made a table and by hearted. Some guys forgot. Okay. Anyway, come on here. Okay, here now, this is 11 square, right? 11 square, 13 square. So 10, 9, 290, correct? 290. Okay, 290 is even number. 290 divided by 4 what? 7, 28, 10, 2, 8, 2. Remainder is 2. That means not divisible by 2. Sridarshini, clear or not? Hello, Sridarshini. Okay, now that means we checked with the two numbers, two examples. Okay, to prove two example or three example or five example or 100 example, not enough, because we proved 100 numbers. What about remaining? So we have to prove with the general case. So that's why we took two odd number. We took what? Two odd number. First odd number is 2m plus 1. It's an odd number. We know that any odd number is of the form 2m plus 1. Right? Okay. You listen, man, first of all. Then another number y equal to 2n plus 1. Okay. So we took first odd number is 2m plus 1. Second odd number is 2n plus 1. Squaring. X square, what? 4m square plus 4m plus 1. Y square, 4n square plus 4n plus 1. Adding 4m square plus 4n square plus 4m plus 4n plus 2. From here, we can take 4 outside. 4 into m square plus n square plus m plus n plus 2. That is 4q plus 2. That means 4q plus 2 means it is an even number because multiples of 2. When you divide by 4, remainder is 2. That's why telling x and y are odd numbers, but x square plus y square is even, but not divisible by 4. I didn't understand your question upfront. I told you many times when I explain, don't type. I want check that. But you listen what I'm saying. What is the? I didn't understand what your. We can do the other disability test for what? What is that meaning? Clear the question. What divisibility test? What is that one? Our question is what, man? To show it's an even number. Okay, that's only. Okay, is it okay now? Star 3 finish. We can do one more star today, okay? Because 10 star is there. Okay, are you ready now? One more question only today, okay? Our Thursday test, one of the questions I will ask. Okay, so now next star number 4, super star number 4, right? Prove that n square minus n. Prove that n square minus n square minus n is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2 for any positive integer n. For any positive integer n. For any positive integer n. N square minus n. N square minus n. Look, n square minus n. Look at here, n square minus n is divisible by 2. That means multiple of 2 for any positive integer. Any positive integer that you have to show. Look at here, any number you take it. 3. Because positive integer means what? Hello. Positive integers are 2 types there is. Which are the 2 types? Positive integers are 2 types. Which are the types? Even and odd. Even and odd. Able. Good. Even and odd. Take an even number. 4. 4 square minus 4. What is that? 4 square minus 4 what? 12. Is it divisible by 2? Hey, Hardisha. 16 minus 4, 12. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Okay. Anugrah, are you okay or no? Anugrah is not this batch, right? Kashinath. Kashinath. Okay, tell me one odd number. Tell me an odd number. 3. 3 square. 3 square minus 3. How much? 6. 6 is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, divisible. Correct or no? That's only. Very simple. Okay, look, any number. Tell me another number. Tanusri. Tanusri. Give me one number. Tanusri. Hello. Hello, Tanusri. You are here or not? Okay, 9. 9 square. 9 square minus 9. 81 minus 9. How much? 72. 72 divisible by 2. Danish. Give me one number. Okay, Affam. 17. 17 square is what, man? 17 square. 289 minus 17. How much? Affam. 289 minus 17. How much? 172. 172 divisible by 2. That's all you have to show it. Okay, that means we have to show for even number, we have to show for odd number. Why? Because positive integer, listen, positive integer, 2 types, even and odd. So we have to show for even. It is true for even. It is true for odd also. We can take the help of our Euclid division lemma. Look at here. Let a and b are any 2 positive integers. Then by Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Take b equal to 2. Yeah, right? Full line. Because this all based on Euclid division lemma. A equal to 2q plus r. Simple. R equal to 0, 1. R equal to 0, 1. When r equal to 0, even or odd. When r equal to 0, even or odd, a equal to 2 into q, even. That means n square minus n. Okay. 2q whole square minus 2q. 4q square minus 2q. Take q outside. 2q square minus q, which is 2 into something divisible by 2. Correct or not? 2 into something is divisible by 2. Next, r equal to 1. R equal to 1. That is, r equal to 1 what? N square minus n. 2q plus 1 whole square minus 2q plus 1. I hope. Once again, look at here. Write the note. Okay, right. Let a and b any 2 positive integers. Let a and b any 2 positive integers. Let a and b any 2 positive integers. Then by Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. 0 less than or equal to r less than 1. Okay. When b equal to 2, a equal to 2q plus r equal to 0, 1. Okay. Then case 1. when r equal to 0, when r equal to 0, a equal to 2q even, which is right. When r equal to 0, a equal to 2q, which is even, then n square minus n equal to 2q whole square minus 2q equal to 4q square minus 2q. 2 into 2q square minus q, which is divisible by 2, because 2, which is divisible by 2. 2 into 2q square minus q is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, case 1 okay or not? Hello. Case 1 okay or not? Then case 2. When r equal to 1, a equal to 2q plus 1, which is odd. Therefore, n square minus n equal to 2q plus 1 whole square minus of 2q plus 1. Okay, so open the bracket. 4q square plus 4q plus 1 minus 2q minus 1. Correct or no? 4q square plus 4q plus 1 minus 2q minus 1. Cancel. Okay. 4q square plus 2q. 4q square plus 2q. That is 2 outside, 2q square plus q, which is divisible by 2. Okay. Clear or not? Then right. Hence, n square minus n. Hence, Kashinath. Okay. Kashinath, listen. Case 2, what you wrote? A equal to 2q plus 1, which is even or odd? Odd number. So, n square minus n. N is 2q plus 1. 2q plus 1 whole square minus 2q plus 1. 4q square, 4q plus 1 minus 2q minus 1. Cancel. 4q square plus 2q. That is 2 times 2q square plus q. 2 times 2q square plus q, which is divisible by 2. Okay. Hence, n square minus n is divisible by 2. N square minus n is divisible by 2 for every positive integer n. N square minus n is divisible by 2 for every positive integer n. Because, clear now, we proved for even number, we proved for odd number. That means we can say every positive integer. Hello, finish or not? Yes. This is Inaya. This is guaranteed. Money back. Complete money I'll return it to you if it not come. If it's the syllabus. Understood now? Final statement is n square minus n is divisible by 2. N square minus n is divisible by 2 for every positive integer. So only 4 questions only we did today. Correct or not? Right? Hello. How many? These 4 questions you have to study before coming next class. Clear not? Because next we have 6 more star questions there is. Okay. Then only I can proceed with the next class. Okay. Everyone, all the guys, make sure these 4 questions. Okay. I hope if not clear, you can check the video. I will upload it. Okay. Okay. This is enough today. 4 questions. First 2 questions, 1 hour. Balance again this much time. Okay. Tired man. Okay. This enough today. I upload today. Okay.